Somatic is back with another video, right? It's been a while since we last spoken, right? It was last, I think it was last year. Last I made a video on this channel, right? And last year was a terrible year in terms of all that has been happening in the world around. But video-wise, I made a lot of videos last year, and I enjoyed most of the stuff I made, especially the tutorials that I made, right? So this is now the third month of the year, like it's March. I haven't made a video ever since the beginning of the year. Things have been hectic, both school-wise, personal life, and all that, right? But that's a story for another day. So today I'm just gonna welcome you to the new year. Hopefully this year we reach our goal of 500 subscribers, right? We're already at 119 or 120, right? Thanks to you who has subscribed and all that. Hopefully we'll reach 500 subscribers by the end of the year. So what has been happening, right? So you might know that I make videos for a comedy channel called the Tribe, right? I'm the main guy there in terms of video director. Sometimes I write, and also I also edit the skits, right? I've talked about this in the previous video, right? So there is what I've been working on a lot ever since the beginning of this year, right? We are making sort of series, right? A lot of series actually, not just one. So it's gonna be a series of videos talking on some subject, right? Some are written by me, directed by me, and edited by me, right? Some with the other guys, are done by the other guys that I work with, right? That has been fun to do, right? And then the other thing is I've had a shoot. I think I've had one for a year, right? This year I'm aiming on shooting different locations around Cape Town. I've been in Cape Town for 5 years now, but I haven't done any shooting in terms of everywhere, like other than at university, right? Inside the campus, right? So this year what I'm gonna try to do is have a shoot every weekend, different areas or different parts of Cape Town, right? This is gonna be with portrait shoots or portrait pictures, or portrait shots, right? And then also there's gonna be some street photography, because I like this stuff as well, right? I'm not sure, at the moment I'm thinking my street photography will sort of like be urban style, sort of bit architecture, a lot more editing. That's what I'm aiming for. So I have some history with Cinema 4D and all that, so I'm gonna try to pile that into one: my photography skill, my Photoshop, and then my Cinema 4D. It's still gonna be a long process working through those, but it's gonna be fun. That was I aim for. I aim to be working at this year. This is one of the things I aim to be working on, right? And then I also wanna sell prints and all that of those pictures, right? So they should be good soon, in terms of like something that you'd like to have on your wall and all that, right? And then I want to make a few videos, right? I want to make fast-paced style videos around Cape Town, like travel vlogs, sort of, right? I know those things, a lot of people make them, but I just think I made one a while ago. It was challenging a bit, and I was back home, right? So I'm looking for a challenge. Those videos are not very easy to make. So I want to make a lot of hyperlapses, time lapses, and all that around here in Cape Town. That is the plan for the year. I want to have like maybe a 3 or 5 minute video at the end of the year saying my year, and it's full of time lapses, hyperlapses, and all the adventures I've been on for the year. Hopefully that's gonna happen this year. It should be a big video. In terms of editing, well, it's gonna be small in terms of duration, right? But I want to work on that, right? And then tutorials, obviously those are gonna still be here, right? And that is all actually, right? I'm gonna try to make Tutorials I'm gonna make more often, but I'm gonna make a lot more high quality stuff this year. There is the plan, right? And also I wanna grab attention of some people, right? Especially the corporate world and whatnot. I wanna be making serious money with this stuff, right? I wanna be attracting people with money. But so far, the clients that I've been dealing with, shame. It's been students, people who know me from like word of mouth and all that. It hasn't been anyone who's actually serious, right? Willing to pay and whatnot. But I think it's partly my fault because even though I'm very skilled in terms of pictures and videos, I'm not sure. I don't think I do that well of a job in terms of displaying it on these social media platforms, right? And then also connections. I've learned that in this business, you need to have connections, right? Being good alone, it doesn't do you much, right? People just know about you, but you need to know people who know people so that you get gigs. That's how it works, basically. Well, you have to be good at least to some extent, but it's very, very like 50-60% of the equation includes knowing the right people, right? And video-wise, I know what a lot of very connected people know me by now, right? I'm just waiting for one of them to book me on a frequent basis and get a lot more paid gigs. That is what I'm aiming for. And also I'll be shooting, I want to shoot maybe 10 or more music videos this year, right? I have a guy, the other guy I work with, Mapida, on the Omkhan tribe, right? He's a rapper, that one, right? And we do skits with him, right? So we are going to be cooking up like parody songs, right? Not actual serious songs. Well, I've convinced him to do that so that I can practice my music video capabilities or skills, right? Yeah, that is the plan. I'm sure this is a lot to digest. It was a lot of things I said, but all in all, this should be a big game in terms of video and whatnot. Still, the goal also is trying to live off of this stuff, videos and pictures, right? And make enough money to pay rent, food, and all those expenses each month or year, right? That is the plan. We'll see if this is the year it happens, or we're still going to have to work a bit harder for it, right? Okay, that has been it. Somatengisi, welcome to the channel. Hopefully you stay and enjoy the content. Invite your friends and whoever. I don't even care, but invite whoever you think might be interested in this sort of stuff to subscribe. And also you can DM me for collabs and all that. I'm very much interested in those stuff. All right, that has been it. So my thing is, I'll talk to you in the next video. Peace. I was told I need to do a different like outro other than peace. It's similar to Marquez. It's like the same. I copied from him. Same thing. I'm not sure. I don't think it concerns me that much. It doesn't. It doesn't bother me. It does not bother me. Okay, bye.